One of the most useful parts of the ReplicAItor system is that it can keep coaching you even between sessions. But you are in control of how that works. Inside your Profile tab, you will see a section called Proactive Coaching. This is where you decide whether you want to receive personalized coaching emails based upon your past sessions. To turn it on, simply check the box that says you want to receive proactive coaching. Once that is enabled, the feedback can send you reminders, encouragement, and coaching insights that are connected to what you have already been working on. This is not a random newsletter. It's based on your own coaching history. Next, you choose how often you want to receive these messages. You might want to check in every few days if you're actively working towards a goal, or you might prefer once a week, every 2 weeks, or once a month if you just want a gentle reminder. You can also choose which email address should receive those messages. By default, the system uses the email connected to your account, but you can change it if you prefer to receive coaching reminders somewhere else. Once everything looks right, click on Save Preferences. Now here's where this becomes even more useful. In addition to the regular reminders, you can also set up special reminder dates. For example, let's say you have a conference coming up. You could ask the system to remind you 1 week before the event so that you can review your goals, polish your message, practice your presentation, or revisit the last coaching advice that you received. That turns the system from a passive coaching archive into an active accountability tool. And of course, you're never locked in. At the bottom of every proactive coaching email, there's an unsubscribe link. So if you no longer want the emails, click that link and the system will turn them off. You can also return to your Profile tab at any time and adjust your preferences. Change the frequency, update your email address, or turn proactive coaching back on, or turn it off from there. The goal is simple. Give you the right coaching nudge at the right time without overwhelming your inbox. You decide the pace. ReplicAItor helps you keep the momentum.